Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to recover your Hotmail's account password or your Outlook account password. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your preferred browser. And then on the search box of this browser, go ahead and type outlook.com. On doing so, you'll be led to this interface, and in this interface, go ahead and tap on the sign in option. Tap on sign in. You can also do this procedure through your application. Once you are redirected to the sign in page on Outlook, go ahead and enter your email with which you've created your Outlook account. After that, tap on next. Tap on use password instead. Now, if you want to recover your password, go ahead and tap on forgotten your password under the enter password section. On doing so, you will require to be verifying your identity. So to do that, you will have to receive a security code, or you can log in with a security code that you already consist of. If you'd like to get the code, go ahead and tap on the get code button that appears on the bottom right corner. After doing so, you should receive an email on the email that you've associated with your Outlook account. As you can see, I have received an email from the Microsoft team that consists of the code. So go ahead and copy this code. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on the next button. You can also use a different verification method. For that, you'll be able to see a link down below. And once you do that, you'll be able to create a new password. Go ahead and create that new password and re-enter that new password. On doing so, simply tap on the next button that appears on the bottom right corner, and you'll see this window that reads that your password was changed. Go ahead and tap on sign in. Now over here, go ahead and enter your email again. And the next time you're prompted to enter a password, go ahead and enter the password that you've just set for your Outlook account. And this is how you can recover your Hotmail's password or your Outlook account's password. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.